This week's Schoology Tech Tip of the Week is making sure everything in your grade book is squared away before the end of the quarter by using the bulk edit option. The bulk edit option is the easiest place to go in your course to see everything that you have assigned, if it's published, unpublished, what quarter you have it in, and what due dates you have assigned to it. So, in order to get to the bulk edit screen, you've got to first access your grade book. Now, I don't want to show any student grades in this video, but I will say that what you're going to do is you're going to come up here and there's going to be 3 dots. You're going to click on those and it's going to give you a drop down with one option saying bulk edit. So now let me get to a class that I've already got the screen open on, and then I can show you more about that feature. Okay, so now I'm in a class. All I did was go into my grade book. I went up to the top right corner, right about here on the screen where there are 3 dots. I clicked on it, and in the drop down I selected bulk edit. So here we go, bulk edit. Here's everything I had assigned for quarter 1, and here's everything I have assigned for quarter 2. Now, to make sure that everything, and it can be in multiple pages depending on what you have. Okay? Now, for everything else, all of these are all not in a grading period and therefore won't show up in your grade book. So if you're looking in your quarter 2 and you're like, well, what's going on? Well, you need to go to your bulk edit screen. Okay? So most of these things I don't want graded, but if one of your assignments is in this column, you need certain things to have it in your grade book. Okay? So in order to be in your grade book, it needs to be in a category. It needs to have a term assigned to it, and then it also needs to be published. And if you have some unpublished assignments, there'll be a little green box here showing you have them. So again, this is the best way to look and control your grades at a glance. Go into the bulk edit screen, scroll down to your quarter that you want to deal with. And then make sure, so I'm in quarter 2 here, and then make sure that everything that you want in your gradebook has a category. I like to have a due date, and then is put into a grading period. And like I said, if things are not showing up, you're missing one of those things. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.